Hey everyone, so today I am doing a WOLFETTE haircut, which is basically a mix of a wolf cut and a mullet. I've had a similar haircut before, never with this length, but I really want to revive my curls, so I thought this would be a really good way to do that. I'm going to start by brushing my hair. I haven't washed it in a few days and it's been completely straightened specifically, so it's easy for me to do this cut. The truth is that I have a lot of dead ends because of bleaching and I really want to get rid of those. I really want to give my curls a chance to be healthy and thrive. First of all, I'm going to create a triangle right on top of the head here. I'm gonna make sure to bring the hair completely to the front. Right here is where I'm going to tie it. So this is our first section right here. Then for the sides, I'm going to go right down on the side. Basically, the area surrounding the ear should go up in a ponytail on the side of the head right here. So I'm just making sure that the top section is as high as possible, just like that. And then for the rest of the hair, I'm just going to put it in the middle of the head in the back. What doesn't want to go up doesn't matter, because that is going to be our length anyways. In here and take out some of the hair that doesn't want to get into a pony anyways. This is our sectioning, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know it looks ridiculous, but it will make sense in a bit. And now we're going to start cutting. I'm going to start with the fringe. And basically I'm just bringing my hair forward, getting rid of this length here. So I use my comb, I bring the hair forward and snap this off. Okay. And one thing I like to do is use these shears like this, get rid of this weight here. Then I'm doing some point cutting as well. I'm going to move on to this section. I'm going to bring this section to the front. We'll do some point cutting here as well. So next we're moving on to the sides, and it's very important that I take off exactly the same amount from both sides here. I'm going to bring the hair sideways, like so, angle it as such, and cut like this. And now I'm gonna bring the hair up at this angle and cut like so. And this is because I want the top to have less length, obviously, than the bottom, where I want to keep the length. Perfect. Now I just have to match this side to this side. There you go. And I'm bringing this up and just cut the very end here that is hanging out. I'm gonna take everything out and the front. And we are getting shag, but I'm not really getting the mullet, so I will need to go back in and fix a few things. Because I'm not touching the top part, I'm going to try and separate it. So I put up this section that I will not touch. What I'm going to do is just freehand this because I kind of know what I want. So I will be bringing the hair to the side and always angle it in this direction. So I'm not cutting the length, but only layers. I'm gonna get my thinning shears and start taking out the weight from the sides here. So in a mullet you have weight on the top, length at the bottom, and then you have no weight in the middle. So I think I'm getting there. And I still want to take a bit more weight out from here. This is my bottom section, and the only thing I'm gonna do here is go through each section like 1, 2, 3 times to take a bunch of weight out. Perfect. I'm done for now. I'm going to take a shower and style this hair. Right now it is 4 days old, dirty hair that was completely straightened a few days ago, so just want to show you how it's looking right now. I have to show you how much hair I took off. It's a lot of hair. So here we go, guys. This is the finished haircut. I am super satisfied with how this turned out. I think it fits my hair texture perfectly, and I also know that this is gonna grow out really nicely. I was a little bit scared to cut my hair because, you know, I am just growing it out, and I also felt that maybe the length is not enough for a cut like this, but I'm super happy and super satisfied. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!